In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Postman. If you're working with APIs that accept images, documents, or any kind of attachment, Postman makes it straightforward to test those endpoints. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few tips so your request works the first time. Start by opening Postman and creating a new request. You can use the New button or open a fresh tab. Either way, you'll see a blank request window. It helps to give the request a clear name and save it to a collection so you can reuse it later. But the core process is the same whether you save it now or after you've tested it. Next, choose the HTTP method from the drop-down on the left. For file uploads, most APIs expect POST. Some endpoints may accept PUT if you're replacing an existing resource, so follow the API's documentation. Then, in the address bar, enter the request URL provided by the API. For example, a path like https://example.com/upload. Now move below the URL bar and select the Body tab. This is where you define what gets sent with your request. Choose the Form Data option. This tells Postman to build a multi-part form data request, which is the standard format for sending files along with fields. Postman will handle the content type header for you when you pick form data, so you usually don't need to set it manually. Add a new key for the file. In the key column, type the field name exactly as the API expects. Often it's file, upload, or something similar. On the right side of that row, there's a drop-down that defaults to text. Change that type to file. This switch is important. It signals that the value you provide will be an actual file, not plain text. Click Select Files in the Value column. A file picker will open so you can browse your computer and choose the file you want to upload. Large files may take longer to send, so make sure your network is stable and that the API's size limits aren't exceeded. With the file selected, you're ready to send the request. Click the Send button. Postman will upload the file as part of the multi-part request and show you the response below. Look for a success status like 200 or 201 and any confirmation message returned by the API. If you see an error, double-check the method, the URL, and the field name spelling, then try again. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to upload a file in Postman, from choosing the method and URL to attaching your file with form data and sending the request.